Greetings to one and all. This is Dr. Shiva from India. I am presently serving as a scientist in one of the premier R&D. Artificial intelligence plays a very crucial role in framing the strategies against COVID-19. The reason behind this is like the outcome of artificial intelligence based simulations offers nearly 80% of the relevance when it comes to the in vitro and in vivo. Further, artificial intelligence provokes high level of precision and also artificial intelligence based data are highly reliable in nature. So like with this note, we will now discuss upon some of the significant contribution made by the artificial intelligence and its relevant algorithms in managing this COVID-19 pandemicity. First, I would like to discuss about the genomic sequence analysis. Yes, the sequence prediction model of artificial intelligence are highly essential in identifying the missing nucleotide residues as well as the duplicate codons. So ultimately, artificial intelligence type of deep learning are highly essential and becomes an innumerable part in conveying the right variants at a right time. So with this note, it is highly possible to rightly identify the mutated strains of SARS-CoV-2 virus. So as of now, it has been roughly hypothesized that SARS-CoV-2 virus attain nearly 2 to 3 mutations per month. So it is an highly essential data at the point of time, and it's a need of the hour by the researchers as well as the clinicians in identifying the variants and also to find out the lead molecules that can effectively control the spread as well as the infection of these variants. Now we'll discuss about the role of artificial intelligence in development of new vaccine candidate. Yes, when it comes to the vaccine designing as well as the framing, there are two important concepts that relies on. One is about the epitopes, another one is nematopes. So what is epitopes? Epitopes are certain immunogenic peptides that present on the surface of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. So these immunogenic peptides or sequences can able to elicit the T cell as well as B cell specific immunogenic responses in the infected individuals. So ultimately, in finding out the active site, it is highly possible to design the fragment, that is peptide based vaccines. This is what we call it as nematopes. These peptide based vaccines can complement these immunogenic sites and thereby the chances of neutralizing the viral molecules are highly possible. Artificial intelligence are pretty smart enough in reducing the overall burden of the clinician when it comes to the analysis of the clinical data. For example, patient data digitalization, that is a smart way of utilizing the artificial intelligence in predicting the severity index of the COVID infected pneumonia by correctly exploring or interpreting the CT scan imaging of the patients. For epidemiologists, this deep learning concept of artificial intelligence are highly essential in sequentially plotting out the epidemic curves and also rightly notifying the hotspot zones. Drug repurposing is another ideal strategy that effectively combat COVID-19. Wide range of drugs have been repurposed in the recent times in the battle against COVID-19. This includes enzyme inhibitors, antibiotics, immunoglobulins and so. So what is the role of artificial intelligence in essential drug repurposing? This relies on correctly identifying the viable lead molecule that can effectively bind with the specific active site of the target of interest. In the nutshell, artificial intelligence operating at a different paradigm in the managing COVID-19 pandemicity. Therefore, utilization of artificial intelligence based data as well as machine learning concepts considerably synergize the process of new drug discovery in the battle against COVID-19. I would like to convey my sincere thanks to the PharmaNest for providing me this wonderful and valuable opportunity